Today I'm going to be replacing the spark plug on this Husky 22-ton lock splitter. And the spark plug is located right here. Let me get you close and let's replace it. I put a little bit of BB blaster in there because you see the spark plug is rusty. And all we have to do is make sure when you pull this wire, you don't pull it from here. Make sure you grab it right here and you pull it back. Sometimes you just gotta push it and you pull it. The reason why you don't want to pull it from here is because you're gonna break that metal piece out of there. And here goes our spark plug. And all we're gonna need is a 21mm socket. And all you're gonna do is put it right in through there and just, that's it. There it goes. So now I'm gonna put the new one. And it has a washer. Make sure that washer stays there. I'm gonna put a little bit of anti-seize on it. Just a little bit. Gonna put it by hand first. Take my socket. And all you want to do is just go, but you don't want to go too tight. Make sure it goes in straight. Once you feel it tight, go just a little bit. Make sure all that is clean. Take your wire, and all you have to do is take it and push it back in. And that's it. You have replaced your spark plug on your Husky lock splitter 22-ton. Later.